Hi, I am Dr. Prasad, orthopedic surgeon. So let us discuss something about low back pain. Low back pain or back pain is very common. We find so many patients in our clinics with low back pain. All of us must have suffered from this malady at one point of our time. The common low back pain is due to mechanical reasons. With these COVID times, most of us are working from home and most of the students are attending online classes, mostly on the laptops. Because of the bad posture, most of them are suffering with this low back pain. But usually, people have an apprehension that whenever they have some low back pain, they think it is because of a disc. The discs are nothing but a spongy material present in between two bones of our back and which give protection. But not all cases are because of the disc prolapse. This diagnosis of disc prolapse is so common that anyone can make it. Our family members, neighbors, colleagues at work, even our maids or drivers do this. With the result that most of the patients who come to us with low back pain are apprehensive because they feel that this disc prolapse has no treatment or it needs a complicated surgical procedure to treat it completely, or sometimes it may lead to a paralysis and they have to be bedridden for their life. But don't worry, not all back pains are due to disc prolapse. And another apprehension people have whenever they have some back pain which comes down to the back of the thigh and back of the leg, then somebody must have told them that it is sciatica. Sciatica is nothing but the pain in the region supplied by the sciatic nerve. Patients may have some tingling and numbness. And even here, patients are worried that they will have paralysis and this sciatic pain is a precursor of the impending paralysis. Please never be afraid of sciatica. It's not a death warrant. It's not like you have a terminal cancer. Don't think that way. Low back pain has several reasons and most of them are very simple to treat. So what do you do when you have this low back pain? Initially, take some rest and you can apply some gel but no massages please. And you can have some hot or cold fomentations. And you don't need to go to a physiotherapist or a gym to get it treated. At the same time, don't go and get these MRI scans, CT scans on your own. If after 2 days of normal analgesic use, your pain is not getting better or if it is getting worse, then consult neighborhood orthopedic surgeon. You don't need to go to a neurologist or neurosurgeon for this problem. An orthopedic surgeon can examine you and if he finds something wrong, then he will refer you to the neurosurgeon. So on your own, don't need to panic and rush out to these super specialists. And it doesn't need to be surgery always for your back problems. And because most of the conditions are age related and this problem can be easily solved. And even if there is a disc, this is mostly seen in young adults who are physically very active. Even in those cases, 99% of disc prolapse patient doesn't need any surgery. So don't worry that every back pain is a disc prolapse and every disc prolapse needs surgery. So what I am trying to tell you now is to teach you some spinal exercises which strengthen your muscles. Once your muscles are strong, then they can withstand these mechanical loads and your back pain will go away. And not only that, your back pain will not come back. These exercises have another important additive effect in that they cause addiction to you. That means it is a positive addiction. By doing these exercises on a regular basis, your brain secretes serotonin, a neurotransmitter which causes happiness to you. So if you are regular with your exercises, you can be happy. So regular exercises can help you by reducing your pains and aches and preventing them from coming back and keeping you happy always. So I suggest you to follow these simple exercises which you can do at any time, any place, and they cost you nothing. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go for these exercises and get a strong back. If you look after your back will look after you. So no need to suffer this low back pain unnecessarily anymore. Bye.
Hey friends, today we are going to show you 2 exercises that will reduce the back pain and also strengthen your back muscles. For this, we have to sleep in the position as shown, wherein you sleep on your tummy with your head down and your hands on your sides. For the first exercise, we push our hands towards the front and we lift the right hand along with the left leg simultaneously, keeping your head down on the ground for a count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now on to the other side. Lift your left hand and right leg simultaneously and hold for a count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now coming to the second exercise, in this we are going to lift both the hands and both the legs simultaneously as well as take your head off the ground. Hold this for a count of 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Do these exercises for 10 minutes each and you will see the results yourself. Thank you.